What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside high-risk management, insurance brokers, and risk management consultants. It's inside each Legon, and here we install 16 IP cameras. Now, these cameras have audio. It means that wherever you are, you can hear every conversation going on. It also has what we call flashlight. So when you're not around and an intruder comes around, the camera is able to flashlight, to deter the intruder. It has an inbuilt siren where you can set and say, okay, this time of the day I'm not around. If somebody comes around, this siren should make it has a siren, so you hear the sound of the siren and it will deter the intruder. It also has a two-way communication where you are able to speak to anybody on site or your home or the office. We have the full team around today, so it's going to take us some few days, maybe 3 days to finish everything and do the configuration. We'll be very excited to show you our final work. So just follow us through.